Hey, wagwan guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's talk about something super important in freelancing on Upwork, and that is talent badges. These shiny labels, rising star badge, top rated badge, top rated plus badge, expert vetted badge, shows the client how skilled and reliable you are as a freelancer on Upwork. But are they really as simple as they seem? Let's dig in. The first badge we're going to consider here is the Rising Talent Badge. The Rising Talent Badge is for newbies who show potentials on Upwork, and it is like Upwork saying, you've got this, man. To get it, you need to complete your profile and have good reviews from early gigs that you get. That means you need to take your first and your second and your third gig very seriously so you can get the Rising Talent Badge. And so an advantage to getting your first gig, second gig, aside getting reviews, is also being able to get this badge if you get 5 stars on your gigs. You remember I said don't take on projects that you cannot deliver excellent on. You want a job that you can deliver excellent on and get a 5-star. You know, clients see your Rising Talent Badge and think, this person might be new, but they are worth the shot, you know. But Upwork gives this badge by invitation, so not everybody gets it. Even if they qualify, you get. For those who do, it's a great boost. This badge helps new freelancers get noticed in a crowded market like Upwork, making it easier to land the crucial gigs that they need to kickstart their Upwork career. You know, just getting one gig is not enough. You want to get the first gig, second gig, third gig, fourth gig, fifth gig. Though some people get this Rising Talent Badge and some people don't, and the randomness of people who get this invitation can feel unfair. But my own suspicion is that, you know, when Upwork book a call with you when you just register to the platform, they ask you some questions. They try to find out from you whether you are an expert from outside Upwork before you joined Upwork. Maybe that is when they give you a Rising Talent Badge, or this is actually just random as people claim it is. And it is something Upwork could probably improve on. Maybe they give it to everybody who meets the criteria. Did you get a Rising Talent Badge, or do you presently have the Rising Talent Badge? Let us know in the comment section. And if you are also open for a Rising Talent Badge, let me know in the comment section. So probably we can make other videos to address things that can help you get it, or how you can keep getting clients with or without it. So next, let's talk about the top rated badge. This badge is for freelancers who are consistent and dependable. To earn it, you need to have a job success score JSS of 90% or higher, and you need to have happy clients. That means your clients should be giving you good reviews and your client must be satisfied. Then note that it is possible for a client to give you a 5-star review in public and then give you a 4-star or 3-star as private reviews. Upwork weigh that private review a lot and it affects your JSS, so you should be mindful of that. If you've experienced getting a bad private review and good public review before, let me know in the comment section. This should be a conversation. Okay, so for this top rated badge, you must have seen some people with top rated badge. Yeah, that means like for you to get that badge, you need to have 90% or higher. And happy clients, it's like a gold star for your good works. You understand? You know, like YouTube gives these flags for different milestones. So Upwork badges are like that. And I think maybe Upwork will start giving freelancers flags like YouTube does, maybe for some milestones, maybe like for when you hit a $100,000 milestone or things like that. Just my thought. So clients love this top talent badge because it says you can count on me. But keeping that 90% score is hard, because the more clients you work with, the higher the likelihood that you're going to meet a bad client. One bad review from a client can knock you down from that 90 to 100% GSS score, and some freelancers feel it is quite unfair. But I think Upwork is more transparent with their JSS score calculation now. You can probably avoid getting bad clients sometimes, but that is not the end of your freelance career when you get such. Then there is top rated plus. Someone asked me that he saw I mentioned that I was top rated plus in my video, and when he checked Upwork, he didn't see the top rated plus, he only saw top rated. There is 2 feedback for that, and I hope he sees this video. Number 1, sometimes Upwork don't show the top rated plus badge in the general. Yeah, they show it most times, but maybe it's a glitch, I don't know, but sometimes they don't show show it in the general, they show it only to enterprise client. I don't know the criteria for which they do that. Maybe it's a glitch as at when I noticed it. Then number 2, having a particular badge doesn't mean you would have it forever. You can lose a badge. For example, the top rated plus badge criteria requires that you should have earned $10,000 within the last 12 months. So if for any period, maybe for example, the client you are working with that gives you maybe like that big traction, you stop working with the client, or the client reduce the frequency of working with you, and now maybe you are only able to make $8,000 a year, you are going to lose your top rated plus badge. So I hope that is clear. This top rated plus badge is actually a nice badge that freelancers want to have, and the top rated plus badge is top 3% of freelancers on Upwork, and the next one I will talk about, the expert vetted badge, is the top 1% of freelancers on Upwork badge. Okay, so now let's still focus on the top rated plus badge. To get the top rated plus badge, you need a JSS score of 90% or more. You need to have great reviews, 5-star reviews, especially on big jobs. For example, if you did a project of $5,000 and you did another project of maybe $500, if the $500 job gives you a 5-star review, but the $5,000 job gives you a 1-star reviews, the weight of the $5,000 job will be more impactful on your JSS score. That means your JSS score will be drastically affected more. But if the $500 job gives you maybe a 1-star review, and then the $5,000 job gives you a 5-star review, your JSS score will be affected regardless, but it will not be as significant as if it is the other way round. Then for you to get the top rated plus badge, you need to have crossed over $1,000 within the last 24 months. But for the top rated plus badge, you need to cross over $10,000 within the last 12 months. So for the top rated plus badge, it gives this vibe of this freelancer is top notch to your prospective clients. So client appreciation, you understand that you know your onions, you are excellent in your service delivery, and the only conversation majorly that they'll be having with you is maybe like based on you guys agreeing on price or understanding the nitty-gritty of their own specific project. But getting to the top rated plus is not easy, you know. It takes consistent hard work and a bit of luck. And don't focus on the badges, focus on just delivering excellence and getting more jobs. They would happen naturally. There are people who have gotten maybe like over maybe $200,000 on Upwork and they are still top rated. And there are people who have made maybe like $70,000 on Upwork and they are expert vetted. So you can see like somebody that has earned, would you prefer to have earned $200,000 and have a top rated plus, or to be $70,000 and be expert vetted? Which of the two do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so freelancers with top rated plus badge often land higher paying gigs, long-term contracts, and so on. But let's be real, I had this badge. Maintaining this level of performance can feel like walking on a tight rope. One slip like this, not even a slip, like I said, I was working for like 2 agencies in Canada, 1 in the US. So at that period, like if you complete the project, you're working for them, then you need to start looking for another client that is that big. And in the real sense of it, in reality, you don't always get those kind of clients every day. So you could lose the badge and lose the opportunity that comes with the badge. That means the badge actually has a way of making you get more job. It's actually rewarding, but it is also demanding. Finally, let's talk about the expert vetted badge. The expert vetted badge is one for the top 1% on Upwork. You go through a tough screening process to prove that you are the best at what you do. Or should I say you are the best? Saying you are the best is relative to other people's performance. Saying you are extremely good at what you do, because the people that would screen you, for example, if you say you are a virtual assistant, I don't think there's expert vetted badge for virtual assistant. There are some skills that don't have access to expert vetted badge. Okay, let's use graphic designer or UI UX designer. So you'll be vetted by an attested, extremely good UI UX designer that would also say that, oh, this guy is very good. That is how you get the expert vetted badge. And note that you don't have to go in chronological order, maybe from rising talent badge to top rated badge to top rated plus badge before you can go to expert vetted badge. You can go directly from rising talent badge to expert vetted badge. When you have an expert vetted badge, clients think, wow, this freelancer is extremely good. He is an elite or elite. So if it's elite, type A. If it's elite, type B and put elite in front. So I can pronounce it correctly. Or is there a difference? You know, this difference in American pronunciation, UK pronunciation. English is not my first language. At least I'm doing fine. So here is the thing actually about this expert vetted badge. Applying for expert vetted badge used to be free before 2024. Now, the expert vetted badge is won strictly by invitation. I was invited for expert vetted badge last year, but I was supposed to pay 300 connects. That is around $45 for the expert vetted badge. So when I weighed my option, like, okay, should I pay this $45 and get the expert vetted badge? Then mind you, you can pay the $45 for the expert vetted badge and still not get it. Yes, you can pay that $45 and still not get it. So I weighed my option and I felt like, oh, at that time, it's not a gamble I want to make. If I was 100% certain I would get it, that is one thing. Then number two, getting an expert vetted badge still doesn't guarantee that you will get a lot of work. Although, yeah, it will give you a better chance over other people. Like having a top rated plus badge, when I bid for jobs, like the client can see that you are top rated plus and it gives you a bit of leverage. So for the top rated plus badge, even if you meet all the rules, you pay the money, there is no guarantee that you will get the badge. Some freelancers spend the money and get nothing in return. That stinks, right? Plus, the fee feels like a barrier for some. It's not just about skill, it's about whether you can afford to take the risk or not. For freelancers who made it through, congratulations to them. I interviewed my guy the other day, Idris, on the Freelance Spotlight. Oh, not on the Freelance Spotlight. I think I would link the video in the description below so you can check it out. He got an expert vetted badge on a new account he created just in 3 months. So the badge opens door for some exclusive kind of opportunities with top tier clients like enterprise client hires top rated plus and even top rated too. I think I'm sure of top rated plus. I'm not too sure of top rated. So enterprise clients are the clients that are maybe like Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, like this client hire, they spend millions on Upwork. And when you work with an enterprise client, you are in luck because they are not the clients that would be negotiating an article of 2,000 words for $5. No, they pay you what you are worth. They pay you for your value. Although you should still be able to negotiate that value yourself, but they won't underprice you ridiculously. So what do you do with these badges? What do these badges really do for you as a freelancer? For clients, they are a shortcut, a way to quickly find reliable talent, reliable freelancers. They boost visibility for the freelancer and give the freelancer credibility because clients have the option when they are searching for freelancers to invite for their project. They can click on the category of freelancer they are looking for, whether they are looking for top rated, whether they are looking for rising talent, whether they are looking for expert vetted, whether they are looking for top rated plus. So note that this badge, when you have it here, it gives you a higher chance of getting job, but they also come with pressure. You have to stay on top of your game or you risk losing the badge. So I saw the story of Liliana online, a pitch deck expert. Her expert vetted badge helped her land a big client, but there is also the other side of freelancers that are losing their top rated status, top rated plus status after one bad experience. It's a mixed bag actually, full of highs and lows. For many, the badges are helpful tools, but they are not the ultimate measure of success on Upwork. The fact that I have a top rated plus or an expert rated badge or what's it called, or a rising talent badge doesn't mean I'm better than the person that doesn't. And it doesn't always mean that you would get the job better. Remember, there are a lot of other factors that go into who gets the job. Those jobs you are bidding for on Upwork, don't be shocked when you see maybe like 15 proposals on it, 50 proposals on it. They are expert vetted competing with you that have no badge for those same jobs. And it is not, yeah, they have a better chance. So now you see one more reason why competition is stiff. Having those badges gives some people an edge over you. So when you are bidding, you don't have reviews, you don't have any of these badges, but that is not to say if your proposal is good and your profile is better, there's a high likelihood the client would hire you. So whether you've got a badge or not, showing up and delivering your best is what truly counts. I can guarantee you that if you keep delivering excellent job, you keep sending the right proposals, you keep learning to improve yourself about Upwork, those badges would come to you naturally, except of course for the one you have to pay for, the expert vetted badge. So what do you think? Do you think these badges inspire you? Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, keep going strong on Upwork, my friends. Bye bye.